This rap explains. Wait, I get you good.
Wait, no,
No, just keep on going.
Okay, go.
You said it. This rap has explicit words in it. Don't laugh. I can't do it if you're laughing. Okay. The table's about to turn. I bet my name on it. Cats take my idea and put my... Oh, wait. Put the same on it. It's hard. I choked my gum. It's alright though. You can't hold me down. I got to keep on moving. To all my girls who be trying to... come across a man and try to mac. Throw it right back to him and let that be that. You need to let him know that this game is whack, and Little Kim and Christina Aguilera got your back. I think that's all of it.
That was definitely not all of it. That was definitely not all of
I think
it.
I missed like the middle section.
Yeah, you definitely did.
Wait, what's the middle section? I don't remember. Do you
Shoot,
remember?
girl, I don't know.
Wait.
You gonna try it now?
Give him the head, the sex horn. The girl do the same, that she's the... But the that's what it is. But I can't say that. That's what the explicit content is. So I just took it out.
And cut.